Welcome back to Home's Decor Designs, the place where we turn your outdoor spaces into breathtaking sanctuaries. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of spending your entire weekend pushing a heavy lawnmower, fighting stubborn weeds, and sweating over a patchy front lawn? Your home's entrance should greet you with beauty, not a never-ending to-do list. Today we are breaking down the ultimate guide to low-maintenance front yard landscaping. We will show you how to achieve massive curb appeal with just a fraction of the effort so you can finally step back and actually enjoy your view. Low-maintenance front yard landscaping means intentionally designing your home's exterior to thrive naturally with minimal human intervention. Instead of relying on thirsty, fast-growing turf lawns that require weekly mowing and heavy fertilizing, this approach utilizes thoughtful elements like hardy perennial plants, native greenery, smart hardscaping, and decorative ground covers like gravel or mulch. Choosing a low-maintenance design is one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your home. First and foremost, it reclaims your time, shifting your weekends from grueling yard work to pure relaxation. Economically, it drastically cuts down your water bills and eliminates the need for expensive chemical treatments, lawnmower fuel, and seasonal replanting. Beyond saving time and money, these designs are incredibly sustainable. Using native plants and deep mulching preserves soil moisture and creates a resilient, eco-friendly ecosystem that looks polished, intentional, and stunning all year round. Though any part of a yard can be landscaped, many homeowners put more effort into landscaping the front yard. This may be because the front yard is usually closest to the home's main entrance, and often the part of the property most visible to the public. Some homeowners might argue that it makes more sense to put more effort into landscaping the backyard if they spend more of their time there. If you want your front yard to look appealing, there are ways to do it without too much expense or required maintenance. We've rounded up 15 low-maintenance front yard landscaping ideas for different situations, lighting conditions, yard shapes, and tastes. One, grow a shapely, colorful Japanese maple. Japanese maple trees are very popular choices for front yards. They stay within a manageable size, which usually no taller than 25 feet, and often much shorter, and turn glorious colors in autumn, ranging from a variety of greens to gold, oranges, and reds. The graceful branches look also attractive in the wintertime. These trees can be grown beneath the canopies of taller trees as they do not require full sun. 2. Enhance retaining walls with creeping flowers. If your front yard has a retaining wall and it gets a few hours of sun, try planting some flowers that creep or spill over the sides. Some nice varieties to try include creeping phlox, creeping sedum, and various campanulas like blue waterfall or Dixon's gold. 3. Design some seasonal window boxes. Window boxes can make a wonderful focal point for the front of your property. If you already have some trees or shrubs growing, window boxes create a smaller visual area of interest closer to the house or entrance. You can add flowering annuals, herbs, or a mix of plants, like these ornamental kale with creeping ivy and other greens. 4. Plant climbing roses. Climbing roses clinging to your fence, gate, or arbor make for a dramatic entrance and beautiful display. Many heirloom varieties like New Dawn or Zephyrine Drought provide fragrance and bloom for weeks. 5. Plant caladiums for season-long color. With colorful, shade-loving caladiums, you don't have to worry about deadheading. These easy-care annuals light up the border in a wide array of colors. Try silvery white or vivid pink. 6. Create a shady seating area. If your trees are mostly in front of your house rather than in the backyard, why not enjoy sitting beneath their cool shade? A small bench and table let you enjoy a beverage and a book in the quiet morning or afternoon hours. 7. Add some eclectic evergreens. Evergreens don't just refer to shrubs and trees. There are many smaller evergreen perennials in a variety of shapes that can be grown in containers. Some are climbers or creepers like euonymus or winter creeper. 8. Fill space with large hydrangeas. Among the largest hydrangea shrubs are panicle and oakleaf hydrangeas, some of which can reach up to 10 feet tall and wide. These attractive shrubs are easy to care for and provide months of carefree color in their blooms and foliage. 9. Mix green foliage plants together. You can create a stunning array of green foliage plants if you mix different hues, shapes, and textures together. Consider some hostas, heucheras, creeping juniper, and artemisia for an eclectic green tapestry. 10. Grow a graceful flowering tree. Small flowering trees can provide a delightful visual accent in spring or summer. Try an early bloomer like magnolia, weeping cherry, or eastern redbud, or a fragrant flowering crabapple. 11. Consider a rock or water feature. Though water features can be expensive and high maintenance like koi ponds, there are options that won't break the bank and that are easy to maintain once established. If you already have a marshy or damp spot, consider a rain garden. A rock garden with a flagstone path can be a great DIY project if you keep it simple. 12. Create alluring seasonal displays. Creating seasonal displays with a horticultural theme can be a simple and enjoyable way to mark the shift of the seasons and add enticing visuals to your front yard. 13. Plant large hostas to fill space. Giant hostas are a wonderful low-maintenance perennial to fill up space. Other than a bit of trimming or deadheading once during the season, and dividing them every 3 or 4 years, they ask for nothing but partial to full shade, well-draining soil, and some water. 14. Plant heuchera for a colorful shade garden. If you have partial shade or morning sun in your front yard, consider adding some colorful heuchera or coral bells among your other shade plants. These hardy plants have tiny flowers on delicate center stems or some in showy hues of pink or red, and the shapely foliage comes in a large variety of forms and colors. 15. Combine decorative shrubs with ground covers. Sometimes making a planting bed look full only requires 1 or 2 varieties of plants. This variegated dogwood shrub with some perennial cranesbill geraniums as ground cover provides colorful flowers in spring, with handsome foliage through autumn. Redesigning your front yard doesn't mean sacrificing beauty for convenience. It's about landscaping smarter, not harder. By trading high-maintenance grass for stunning stone pathways, rich mulch beds, and independent hardy plants, you create an elegant entrance that looks flawless in every season. Your front yard is the first impression your home makes, and with these low-maintenance strategies, that impression will always be one of effortless luxury and clean, modern design. If you're ready to say goodbye to high-maintenance yard stress and hello to effortless curb appeal, make sure to hit that like button right now. Subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for your weekly dose of clever landscaping tips, outdoor inspiration, and modern garden ideas. Drop a comment below and let us know, what is the highest maintenance part of your yard right now that you can't wait to get rid of? Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you in the next video.